Here's some civic participation trivia. Subscribe. What U.S. amendment granted women's voting rights? Is it A, 19th Amendment, B, 17th Amendment, C, 25th Amendment, or D, 12th Amendment? The correct answer is A, 19th Amendment. Who led the voting rights movement? Is it A, Malcolm X, B, Rosa Parks, C, Martin Luther King Jr., or D, Nelson Mandela? The correct answer is C, Martin Luther King Jr. What is the term for informing voters of issues? Is it A, voter education, B, poll monitoring, C, voter registration, or D, civic engagement? The correct answer is A, voter education. What refers to a group's collective voice in politics? Is it A, social activism, B, political influence, C, political participation, or D, group dynamics? The correct answer is C, political participation. What U.S. agency provides information about civic engagement? Is it A, Federal Reserve, B, NASA, C, Census Bureau, or D, USA.gov? The correct answer is D.gov. What is the act of formally joining a political party? Is it A, party affiliation, B, electorate membership, C, voter registration, or D, political campaign? The correct answer is A, party affiliation. What term describes a legal challenge to election results? Is it A, election contest, B, election inquiry, C, ballot review, or D, vote audit? The correct answer is A, election contest. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.